How to change language on Roblox. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to change the app language on Roblox? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's learn how to change the app language on Roblox. Open Roblox on your device. You will land on its official home page. Tap on the three horizontal dots at the bottom of the screen to access the More section. Scroll down to the end, select Settings, tap on Account Info. Scroll down to the end. Here you will see the language option. Tap on it. Now scroll through the list and select the language of your choice. Please note that not all languages are yet available on Roblox, so search accordingly. Once you find your desired language, single tap on it to apply. After that, Roblox will automatically start applying the language changes you just made. And boom, you have successfully learned how to change the app language on Roblox. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.